Welcome to science. Today we are going to do an experiment called naked eggs. Oh my. I hope you're ready. Here we go. Remember how we've always tried to do, when we do an experiment, we always try to do a control. Well, we're going to do the same thing today. I have 3 jars lined up. One of them will be a control, and 2 of the other jars will be for the experiment. Now, we're going to be taking an egg, and this is a raw egg, okay? And I know it's raw because it's heavy. Now, I'm going to break it open just to show you that there's stuff on the inside, okay? Okay, raw egg. We're going to put 1 raw egg in one of the jars. Okay. In the next jar, I'm going to use just the shell of an egg. And I have several of these just in case something happened, but I wanted to show you that they really are just a shell. Now, if you look very carefully, you can see that there are holes on both sides. And if you look at the second video, you'll see how I got the insides out. Now, I'm going to break this just to prove to you that the ones with the holes, they're just shells. Do you see that? Okay. So one of the jars will just be for an egg that has the insides blown out, okay? So there goes number 2. Now in the third one, this will be our control jar. So I'm gonna use another raw egg for the control, all right? We'll put the raw egg on the bottom, and since I have some shells left over, we'll put a shell in, okay? All right. Now, the experiment goes like this. These are the 2 for the experiment. The third one is control, and we're just going to use water on that one, okay? So I'm going to fill that up with water, and you're going to see exactly what happens to the eggs. Can you see that? One egg, the raw egg, goes all the way to the bottom because it's heavy. Look what happened to the egg that's just a shell. No, he's floating because there's nothing to hold him down. Right, Luke? No gravity can get him today. I'm going to seal that up. Remember, that's our control. And that just has water. Now, the other 2, we're going to add one of our favorite things. Remember the day we did the germ experiment and we poured vinegar in everybody's cup? Well, vinegar is what we're going to use today as well. And there goes my raw egg. You see he's still sitting on the bottom of the jar. And then we're going to add vinegar to the shell. And do you see what happened? He is sitting on the top. Okay. You know what? I think I'm going to do a little, I'm going to pour some of that vinegar into the other jar. All right, raw egg, sealed up. Now my shell, I need to push him down a little bit, don't I? All right, can you see him? He's way up on the top. And pretty soon he will fill up. I can see bubbles coming out of the hole. So that's actually going to fill up with some vinegar. Okay, there are my 3 jars. Control, raw egg, and just the shell, okay? Now can you see all my 3 jars sitting there? There we go. Now, this isn't an overnight experiment. We're going to have to come back and visit tomorrow. We're going to have to visit the next day. And it's probably going to take several days for you to see some changes, okay? All right, stay with me. We're going to come back each day and get a look at all of our jars and see what is going on, all right? All right, love you. watch the second video if you want to see how I got the egg out of that shell. Okay, bye-bye.